Torrential rain with extreme intensity struck the city of Yokkaichi, Mie Prefecture, Japan, on Friday night, the 12th of September 2025. The highly unstable atmosphere triggered heavy downpours accompanied by lightning since the afternoon, which intensified further into the night. In a short time, the rainfall exceeded the city's drainage capacity, causing severe flooding in multiple areas. The worst impact was felt around Kintetsu Yokkaichi Station. The station building, main roads, and surrounding shopping areas were inundated. Many people were trapped and unable to continue their journeys as water levels reached knee-to-waist height. Vehicles were forced to stop, with some breaking down after being submerged. Residents described the streets as turning into rivers. Water flowed rapidly, manholes were lifted from the ground, and the drainage system could not cope with the overwhelming volume. The parking lot of a large shopping complex, Mie-Japan Don Quixote in the Nishihino area, was also submerged. Several cars parked there were damaged or swept away. Locals admitted that they had not seen rainfall this intense and fast in at least the past decade. The situation also created panic among drivers. Many reported that it was nearly impossible to drive due to zero visibility, even with windshield wipers running at full speed. Some drivers became stranded in flood waters, while others sought alternative routes. Yokkaichi City officials, along with fire departments, quickly responded. They regulated traffic, assisted stranded residents, and set up emergency posts to monitor the situation. Police closed several underpasses and major roads, while train operators suspended services on the Kintetsu Yunoyama Line after tracks were inundated. Through the night, emergency crews continued evacuations and pumped water out of the hardest hit areas. Residents were urged not to leave their homes unless absolutely necessary and to keep monitoring official updates. The massive flooding in Yokkaichi stands as a stark reminder of the impact of extreme weather disrupting daily life, causing material losses, and posing serious risks to public safety.